Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to reset your voice setting on Discord. So what you have to do, obviously you have to log on to your account, and then down below here you can see there is an option of user settings. You just click this user settings and then scroll down until you can see this voice and video. You just click voice and video, and then you go to the bottom of the page. There is an option of reset voice setting. You just click this reset voice settings and then click OK, and then that's it. You already reset your voice setting on your Discord. It's supposed to be a similar method if you are using app on Windows or iOS, and also on browser version like mine before. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.